ng pag-awit, Asia's Queen of Songs, Miss Pilita Corrales. Yay! Sa tuwing nagiging guest si Pilita dito sa Ike's Movie Go Round, parang napapahiya ako. Nauuna pa siyang dumating sa akin. That's what we call professional. Ikaw ba, Pilita, like other stars I know of, you've never been branded unprofessional yung dumarating ng late sa isang show, or has it happened to you na hindi mo naman kagustuhan?
Hindi naman, Ike. As long as I can come early, I always do. I think if you're going to be in show business, I think you should be professional enough.
Yes, I believe, Pilita, kasi I noticed, no, without pinpointing anybody, I've had several programs, pero madaming mga artista yung bang darating in the middle of a show or yung matatapos na or yung nag-uumpisa na. And
gusto lang yun maging primadonna.
yung iba, maraming excuses, no?
That's true, yes.
But I believe, Pilita, if there's a will, there's a way.
There is a way, definitely.
Kung talagang ayaw mong malate, hindi excuse yung traffic o yung ulan. Somehow you can think of a way na maaga ka, di ba?
Like me, Ike, I mean, I have a very, very hard time getting up early in the morning,
yes, I believe,
no?
Pilita.
So, usually, if I have to be in a place at 9 o'clock, somebody has to wake me up at 7.
Talagang merong
But if I wake up at 8, I'll never make it.
Yung iba kasi pag 9 ang show, 9 din sila papagising. Which is wrong. Sabi nga ni Liza Minnelli, wrong.
Ganun talaga.
Anyway, Pilita, first of all, I'd like to congratulate you dun sa duet ninyo ni Jackie Lou. I heard it.
Thank you. Sa Super Tunog Pinoy.
Balita ko malapit ng maging golden record.
Ay, thank you naman.
And I think Jackie is equally excited about it kasi first record niya yun, di ba?
First, that's why I decided, Ike, you know, when they asked her to record, it was actually supposed to be solo. But then I was a little afraid that she was not ready to go solo. So I was the one who suggested to Octo Arts that I think if she's going to record, I think we should start with a duet first.
So,
and she'll be recording solo in about 2 weeks' time.
At about 2 weeks' time?
Yes,
wow.
already.
Please tell her to scoop her first single here on Channel 7.
Of course, she wanted to come, I'd like to explain because she was supposed to come with me. But she's taking her exams in Ateneo for her... she's starting school again on the second semester, that's why.
Sabagay, the young stars, I always encourage them to attend to their studies first.
Oh, definitely.
Kahit wala akong guest, ayoko yung mga nag-a-absent. Kaya if you notice, no, dito sa Ike's Movie Go Round, pag yung mga holiday, makikita nila yung mga young stars dito. Pero pag mga school days, yung mga antique.
So ako pala young, Saturday.
Yeah. And akala ko walang exam si Jackie Lou. Akala ko may lakad sila ni Lloyd.
Hindi nga Ike, ganito ang style ni Jackie. Kanina may sulat na naman ako.
Oh?
Mommy, I'll tell you a secret because she was punished for 1 month.
Oh.
For this 1 month, she's not supposed to go out with Lloyd. But today, the month is over. So I received a letter from Jackie this morning. She says, Mommy, can I have dinner with Lloyd tonight? I haven't answered yet. I'm still thinking about it.
If she'll have dinner with Lloyd, you'll have to have dinner with me.
Of course.
Minus Herman. Okay. Look, every time I tease him on there, look what he does.
Oh, galit yata si Germ sa iyo eh.
Alam mo, that's a sign of insecurity.
No, I think that is a sign more. You know how in this business, puro inggitan, no? Naiinggit lang si Herman sa iyo eh.
I dare you, putulin mo si Pilita, Herman.
Putulin mo akong ngayon.
Takutan, wala ka ng Germ special.
Hindi na ako darating bukas.
Okay, mga kaibigan, sa akin lang, ako lang kaya niya. Tama na, tama na.
Movie Go Round, he always tries to give you some singing, some dancing. But today, like Ike says, Saturday is always a very special day. I'd like to introduce to you, I think you're very used to seeing already our very, very talented female impersonators here in this country, in the Philippines. But today, I would like to introduce to you, I think, for my personal opinion, and I'm very proud that he impersonates me, I think the greatest impersonator we have in the Philippines today, Boots Babushka.